Hey Todd, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. We ran into Pam the other day while picking up some supplies from your shop, and this is a video that we promised her we would get sent over to you. It's going over 3 things that you can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. You can actually take these tips yourself and start utilizing them today. All I ask for is for some feedback on the end of this video whenever you're finished, just letting me know if it was helpful or not, and what your thoughts are on it. But let's go ahead and get started here. The 3 things that I want to go over are content, citations, and backlinks. So the first one is content, which has a lot to do with your website here. And so Google, they have what's called bots, and they are 24/7 looking through websites, scouring the internet, trying to find who is providing value to their readers. So they look through all of the content on your website. It includes your photos and what they were saved as well. Trying to see what keywords are on your site, what value you're providing. And so that is vital for you to be considered an authority with Google. You want at least 1,500 words on your home page on your website, and you want those keywords embedded throughout. One example of a keyword would be Garage Door Repair Tulsa. And whenever your future customers are typing this in here, the first thing that populates are ads. So there are Google guaranteed ads as well as just the normal Google ads. Ads can be a great tool whenever utilized properly to increase your business, but for now we're going to scroll right past that. So this section is called the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that, 30 to 40% of business. And the way that you outrank your competitors would be to have a Google business profile. So you do have one, and it looks like you guys are doing a great job with getting those 5-star reviews. It's vital to be intentional with that, be consistent with it. This does come into play whenever ranking. You want to be consistent with adding photos. Just fill this out as completely and accurately as possible. And then it looks like you guys have this pretty filled out. You want to have this as close to 750 characters as possible. And the most time consuming would be what's called citations. So a citation is your business name, the address, and the phone number, exactly as it is on your Google business profile account in your local directories. So that could be Facebook, that could be Yelp, MapQuest, and you want to have more citations than your competitors. And so with all of those things combined, you can be outranking your competitors here and get your share of that 30 to 40% of business that goes into this section here. And if we scroll down here, this is the start of what's called the organic listing. And so the remaining 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing. And if we scroll down here to the bottom of the first page, I see that you guys are here. And so it's awesome that you guys are on the first page for this keyword because the first page, the front of the page, they get the majority of that 60 to 70% of business. The higher up you are, the more business you'll get for yourself. So ideally, you want to be in the top 3 spots here. And something that we can do is we can take a look at the back end of your website. So I have your URL plugged into Ahrefs, where we can take a look at the back end. Here are some ratings. The DR and the UR represent the authority and the trustworthiness of your website. So you have 1.8 and 12. What makes up your ratings are the 473 backlinks that you have. And these backlinks come from 44 referring domains. And so why is this important to look at? It's important because you want your ratings higher than your competitors so that you're being boosted above them in that organic listing to get your share of that 60 to 70% of business. So how do you do that? You do that by getting high quality backlinks. A backlink is one website linking to another one. So it's a little bit like a shout out. You do need to be really intentional here because there are high quality ones, there are spammy backlinks, and the spammy ones will bring these numbers down. You also want to make sure that it's relevant to your industry because Google does pay attention to a lot of different factors when it comes to backlinks here. So you want to add those high quality ones to boost these here. Something that does go hand in hand with this would be keywords. You have 139 keywords on your site. And the reason that this is vital is because you want to rank for what actually applies to you. So you want to make sure that you're ranking for a garage door company in the Tulsa and surrounding areas. You wouldn't want to be ranking for a nail salon or a garage door company in California. And so this is super important here. As of now, you have 159 monthly website traffic. And what's super cool is we can do the exact same thing with every single competitor. So Overhead Door Tulsa, we can take a look at the back end of their website. They have 15 and 8, coming from 1,500 backlinks from 91 referring domains. They have 1,200 keywords and 1,200 monthly traffic as of now. And so what we'd want to do here is we'd want to add those high quality backlinks to your site so that you're being boosted above them. And then we can take a look at the backlinks that they have linked to their site and link those high quality to you, because if it is working for them to rank, it would also work for you to rank. We can also take a look at all of the keywords that they are ranking for, which ones apply to you. I recommend what's called buyer intent keywords, because that way you're going to be in front of people that are looking to buy your services. So let's see here. Some of these might be names of the company. Garage Door Repair Tulsa. 400 people are searching every single month just for this phrase here. Garage Doors Tulsa, 200. Garage Door Tulsa, 200. 150, 100, 60, 50. And you can see here that the list just keeps going. And there are pages of these keywords here. And so it'd be important for you to take a look, find out which keywords apply to you, make sure those are on your website and that you are ranking for them so that you are getting some of that traffic for yourself for those buyer intent keywords, which would in turn turn into some more customers for yourself. And I hope that this short video was valuable for you. I look forward to hearing your feedback and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.